So this is after approximately 1 minute. You can see some of the scums releasing already. Then this is the time where you can carefully, we don't want to break the fish head.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight Appa is going to steam a beautiful barramundi fish head. Now barramundi is also called siakap, and there is a main difference between those siakap below 1 kg and those 2-3 kg and above. Especially the wildly caught ones, which are above 2-3 kg and above, those really taste super good. You must try, and it is not expensive, and that's one of the main reasons why I like buying them. It is not expensive. So I have actually half a fish head here. This is taken out from probably about 2.5 kg barramundi, wild barramundi fish or wild siakap. The seller already cut it for me, so I just need to wash it. Yeah. Then I have a lot of ginger here and some chili padi, and today I'm going to show you another way of how you can remove the fishiness from the steamed fish itself shortly. Now remember, Appa always mentioned in the video, that previous video, that we need to remove the fishy water from the steaming. That is to remove the fishiness, right? Now there is another way. So if you don't want to use that way, there is another way here. You boil some boiling water, put the fish head into the boiling water and let it continue boiling for approximately maybe about 1 minute or 30 seconds to 1 minute. So while waiting, I have actually a steaming plate, and it will be my serving plate as well. And this one, I have 2 pieces of ginger placing at the bottom so that later I can raise the fish. So this is after approximately 1 minute. You can see some of the scums releasing already. Then this is the time where you can carefully, we don't want to break the fish head, very carefully move the fish over to the serving plate. Right, now you can straight away go and steam it without have to remove any fishy water later. All the fishy water now is here. See? Beautiful and a very easy step, right? So next thing, very quickly, we can prepare the steamed fish sauce. I'm going to give it some light soy sauce here. It's basically mainly a light soy sauce mixing with some water. Okay, I'm adding in a little bit of fish sauce as well. This is optional. And a bit of oyster sauce. Just a little bit. Some water. A bit of salt. A bit of garlic oil, or you can use sesame oil. Just make sure everything is nicely dissolved. So next thing, we can straight away put the steamed fish water at the side. Put the ginger on top, although Appa is a ginger person. But actually when they do a ginger steamer, outside is actually a lot of ginger as well. Yeah, Appa is not the only one, for sure. Right, after the ginger, you want to put the chili padi, few dash of white pepper on top. Now we can send it to the steamer. Alright, the steamer has been preheated. Put in the fish. And we shall steam it for approximately 10 minutes. Alright, so it is done. We can now open. Allow the steam to release a bit, yeah? Wow, looks really good. I may need both hands for this. Wow, nice. Right, so here's the fish. Looks beautiful, isn't it? And you don't really see much fishy water coming up. That's because of our first step, yeah? Next, I'm going to just put some fried garlic on top. You can put a bit of hot oil on top as well, up to you. To me, that is optional. This is equally good. Right, so that's it. Here's my very simple steamed barramundi fish head. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.